Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna show you what wonderful hawthorn looks in full bloom. Look at that massive beauty. You can gather the leaves and flowers for wonderful tea. It's really great as a heart tonic, and later on these wonderful white flowers will turn into red berries, and you can make wonderful hawthorn berry ketchup. You can check the link above for the video where I was making the ketchup. So when you see it, you can find your spots for later on if you'd like to collect the berries. Check this out. Very nice. Leaves and flowers are edible. Leaves are edible in springtime when they are nice and soft. Later on they are too tough to enjoy. I'll be honest, the flowers don't have the best taste, but you can have a go and see what you think. I think it will be nice addition to your salads. There you go. This is hawthorn in full bloom for you. Enjoy it to the fullest. Thanks for tuning in. Bye until next time.